The first Massachusetts residents in a long-term care facility received their COVID-19 vaccines today. It kicks off a process of inoculating some of the most vulnerable people against the deadly virus. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Springfield with more on when local facilities could get the vaccine. Audrey.
Kayla, that first resident in Massachusetts to get the vaccine lived out in Boston. Now, when it comes to local facilities, I've checked in with a few, and they say that end of this week, beginning early next week, is when they'll be able to vaccinate their residents.
This could be the start of helping people stop dying from, getting the virus.
Monday's vaccine rollout in this greater Boston area nursing home, the first step in protecting vulnerable people against COVID-19. Earlier this year, state health officials said there are more than 700 long-term care facilities in Massachusetts. Bay State Health CEO Mark Kerouac says his hospital employees will get the Moderna vaccine from now on, as the Pfizer vaccine is now headed to those congregate living facilities where the virus can spread like wildfire.
Future allocations of Pfizer were put into the pipeline for long-term care, seniors, and assisted living, and they handed them over to Walgreens and CVS.
The Pfizer vaccine must be kept at sub-zero temperatures, and Kerouac says the pharmacy chains are best equipped to store them in large numbers. Western Mass News reached out to local long-term care facilities. Officials with Loomis Lakeside at Reed's Landing says their residents, quote, will be receiving their first COVID-19 vaccines on January 4th. We are elated and are counting down the days. Over in Agawam, the Heritage Hall campus also receiving good news. Reps for that facility say, quote, vaccination of staff and residents at Heritage Hall campus is scheduled to begin at Heritage Hall West on December 30th, 2020, working with CVS as our chosen partner through the Pharmacy Partnership for Long-Term Care program. They went on to say Heritage Hall South and Memory Support of Heritage Hall are scheduled to occur on January 3rd, 2021, and Heritage Hall North will occur on January 5th, 2021. Local healthcare officials say they're prepared to vaccinate a different population that's also likely to be infected.
Right now, I know that our role will be to vaccinate first responders.
Now, in the city of Springfield, they've announced today that they're starting something called a Vax Force, and it's going to be a group of people who are going to give out information and resources pertaining to the different COVID-19 vaccines in order to help people make the best decision for their own health. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.